Galaxy smartphones are often compared with the newest iPhone, but this time it seems a bit different. The Google Pixel 2 seems to be a better matchup for the Galaxy S9, thanks to those cameras on these devices. Let's see how the Galaxy S9 compares to the Google Pixel 2. This is pretty much a given. Galaxy smartphones always look stunning, and the Galaxy S9 is no exception. It borrows most of its design from the Galaxy S8 and actually improves on it quite a bit. Pixel 2 also have quite a unique design, but it's definitely not on par with the S9. Galaxy S9 comes with the Samsung Experience UI, and it's a heavily skinned version of the Android. On the other hand, Pixel 2 comes with stock Android and is arguably one of the most smoothest and most optimized version of Android out there. So even though Samsung's software experience isn't bad, I think Pixel 2 kinda takes the crown in this department. This is where things get real. Both of these smartphones have some of the best cameras out there. Galaxy S9 comes with dual aperture, which gives you the option to shoot in either 2.4f or at 1.5f depending upon the lighting condition. Google Pixel 2 on the other hand has some of the best HDR processing out there and gives you very consistent image quality. This is definitely a draw as both of these devices have excellent cameras, and I'm gonna throw the good old personal preference in there and run away from declaring a winner in this category. Both these devices gives you an array of useful features, but just as expected, Galaxy S9 literally has a small army of features of its own. Face recognition, iris scanner, intelligent scan, 960fps super slow motion, 4K 60fps video recording, AR emoji, ooh, that scared me for a while there, and whatnot. So in simple words, Galaxy S9 kinda takes this department. Both Galaxy S9 and Pixel 2 comes with stereo speakers, and they both provide good sound quality, but the Pixel 2 actually comes with front-facing stereo speakers, which gives it an advantage. But wait, Galaxy S9 fights back strongly with a headphone jack, which again leads to a draw in this department. So with the final score of 4 against 3, Galaxy S9 kinda win this comparison in my opinion. But that doesn't mean the scores will be same for you guys. Which one do you think is better in your opinion? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video interesting, and do subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.